Welcome back to TorqueRiot. Hey guys, welcome back to TorqueRiot. We've got our axles that have been curing, they're good to go, our frame's good and cured, and we're gonna go ahead and throw those things back together. So we ended up ordering some goodies that just came in. We got our shocks, we got our stabilizer, we got some lug nuts since our other ones were so cruddy and chrome. Can't stand that chrome. And got some shoes, and we got our actual rotors. So we're gonna go ahead and throw all that together and let's see what we can get done. Also, we have our brake line, so if we can get that today, that's kind of the goal. If we can get the axles up under the frame and all this on, if we can do that, it'll be some extracurricular activities. All right, check it out. All right, we're back, and we just ended up getting the stabilizer on and the shocks on the axles. Everything seemed to be good except for the rear shocks. We ended up putting the brackets on the wrong side of the shocks. So we had to flip that around and take care of that. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw this axle up on some jack stands, throw the rotors on, the shoes on, and probably change out the lug nuts. And then we're gonna try and throw it on that frame over there. So we'll see what we got. Hopefully we'll have a rolling chassis by the end of today. Hey guys, so it's going ahead, and as you can see, it's getting late. So we're gonna go ahead and come back tomorrow. But what we got done today is we got pretty much everything we wanted. We got the shocks in, the coils in, the stabilizer in. We got the axles up under the Jeep. Everything went pretty good. We had a little bit of mishaps here and there, but we have the boots coming. They didn't come in on time, so we have some boots coming. Those will end up coming in, and we'll end up taking that apart and putting that back. But tomorrow when we come back, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna work on the power steering box, the trans bracket, the trans plate, and the brackets that actually hold it up. Also the sway bar and the fuel tank. And hopefully we'll get the brake lines in. It didn't work out today, so we got a pretty strong one, so we'll end up being back. All right guys, so we're gonna catch you first thing in the morning. See you there. Hey, welcome back. So we're back at TorqueRiot, and I've got some free time. Eric's not hanging around today. He's off doing some cool. I'm all alone. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and sandblast some Nerf bars, side rockers, the front bumper, and the trans plate. So that way when he comes back, we can just get on it instead of just messing around and him waiting on me. So let's get some stuff done. Catch you later. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of stuff to actually sandblast. So hopefully we have enough pour to cover all this. I'm not too sure. I know these rock panels, rock sliders, they don't seem to have too much rust. I would say probably spot sandblast them and then spray them. But it'd be cool if I could have all this stuff match in that pretty chassis paint. So I'll see what I can get, and I may spot here and there and leave what coating's on it. Maybe just clean it up a little bit. So let's see what we can get. Just about ready to spray that top coat. Hopefully it goes on nice and smooth and flat. Makes everything match. We'll definitely see. This stuff definitely gunks up the gun pretty good. I just spent probably about 15 minutes cleaning that sucker out. Took it completely apart. So I may, after every spray, just soak the thing in mineral spirits. All right.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another day. So Brent managed to get most of this stuff sandblasted and sprayed. Come over here, Brent. Come check this stuff out. So today's main goal is we're gonna get a lot of stuff mounted on the frame. So we got our Nerf bars all sprayed down. Those look fantastic. We got our steering pump set up. That's all sprayed. That's ready to get put on. Our front bumper's ready to go. We even got our, what are these again?
They're rock sliders.
So there you go, our rock sliders. We got our rock sliders ready, but we're not quite ready for them to put on the body, but we'll get that soon. We got our sway bar as well. We got to put that on there. We got our trans plate here. We're gonna put that on the old frame also. So we got a lot to put on. We also, Brent managed to get our boots for the. Brent,
yeah, what you got there, man? What you got going on there?
So Brent managed to get the old boots for the the shocks, we're gonna stick those on. Unfortunately, he ran out of media, so his winch mount, he didn't get to spray that. His rear bumper, he didn't get to spray that either, but we'll get some more media, we'll get those sandblasted, we'll get them sprayed. But before that, let's get this stuff installed in the frame. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got our front bumper installed, we got our sway bar installed, and we managed to get our power steering pump installed. Look at it. It looks glorious. It's actually starting to look like a Jeep. It's quite a short wheelbase. You don't realize how short it is without the tub on there. But we got everything assembled. She looks wonderful. Brent can't stop smiling. It's a good day. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We got a lot done today. We got the front bumper on, power steering pump on. We got our shocks. We got the boots on those. They look pretty nice. It's a nice little accent, the purple on the shocks. They look pretty good. It matches our motor. Excuse me, Brent's motor. But it looks good. The Nerf bars are on. Transmission mounts installed. So it's been a productive couple of days. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we'll be looking to mount the transmission up to the engine, get the engine and tranny installed. We need to finish sandblasting the rear bumper. We're also going to be looking to put the brake lines, the fuel lines, the gas tank on. So that'll be coming up in the next episode. So we can't thank you all enough for watching.
Yeah guys, like, subscribe, send us any ideas if you're thinking further more projects or anything we could end up adding to this. Having fun, what we can do with it once we're done. Pretty much we're strolling on through. We don't have too much left to go. So please like, subscribe, and keep on going.
As always guys, thanks for watching.